So today we are going to study about an important topic, that is conversion of kilometer per hour into meter per second. Because we know that all distances, they are measured in terms of kilometers, centimeters and meters, right? And then whenever a body covers this distance in the given interval of time, then we will say it as speed, right? So what do you mean by speed? So speed is defined as the distance covered by an object per given time. And then what is the SI unit of speed? So the SI unit of speed is meter per second. But sometimes we can see that these speeds are measured in kilometer per hour. So for example, if you see the speedometer of your vehicle, that is either bike or in the dashboard of the car, what you can see in the speedometer, it represents the speed in terms of kilometer per hour. But since the unit of the speed is meter per second, now in today's class we will learn how we can convert kilometer per hour into meter per second. Okay, so let us begin with this. So what is our main point? Our main point is just we have to convert this kilometer per hour into meter per second. Now we know that 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters? That is 1000 meter, right? And then 1 hour is equal to how many second? So if you calculate that, we will get, so 1 hour, I will do that here, it is 1 hour. So 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? That is 60 minutes, right? And then if I take 1 minute from the 60 minute, that is 1 minute is equal to how many seconds? That is 60 second, right? So then whenever we are calculating, that is how many seconds are there in 1 hour, that is we write it as 1 hour into, so 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? It is 60 minutes, right? And then which is also multiplied by seconds. How many seconds? That is for 1 minute. Now here I will take only 1 minute. So 1 minute is equal to how many seconds? That is 60 seconds. So if I multiply these numbers, I will get the seconds, which is equal to how many hours? 1 hour. So 60 into 60, that is 3600, right? So 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. Just look at here. We have converted kilometer into meter and then 1 hour into second, that is 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter and then 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds, right? So now by using this idea, we will convert the given speed, which is in kilometer per hour, into meter per second. Okay, so now for that we will take one example. Either we can take any example which is of your choice. If you want, you can take your own value to solve this, right? But now for my reference, I will select only one speed, that is 50 kilometer per hour. So this is example for me. Now I will take that 50 kilometer per hour. So now I have to convert this 50 kilometer per hour into meter per second. How we can do that? So we will take that 50 here. We know that this 50 kilometer per hour, right, which is multiplied by, so 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters? So already we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter divided by, now convert this 1 hour into second. How much? So 1 hour is equal to 3600 second. So if I write only the values, what I will get? I will get 50 into 1000 divided by 3600. Now on simplification, these values, what I will get? So these two zeros and here these two zeros gets cancelled. If I simplify this, I will get, if I do it from 5, okay, this is 50, this is 36, so I can use 2, right? So 2 25s are 50, and then here 2 1s are 2, remainder 1, 2 8s are 16. Then from again 2 5s are 10, 2 9s are 18. So now what is the remainder here? I got 25 into 5 divided by 9. Now on simplification, what will get? So 25 into 5 is equal to 125 by 9. So now divide this 125 by 9. So 9 ones are 9, remainder 3. Then take this 5 here, 95. So in the 9 tables, how we can divide this 35? 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36. So I will take 9 threes are 27. Now what is the remainder? Can you guess? This is 8. Now I cannot divide this 8 by 9, so put decimal point. Then here I will get 0. So 9 8s are 72. So again remainder is 8. So if I write the 0 here, again I will get 9 8s are 72. So this number goes on, right? So the answer we got is 13.88. So 125 by 9 is equal to 13.88. This is meter per second, because we have converted this 50 kilometer into meter and hour into second. So this is the way of converting kilometer per hour into meter per second. Have you all got it? So now we will solve one more problem. For example, if I take 84 kilometer per hour. Now how we can convert this 84 kilometer per hour into meter per second? As usual, so write 84 into, convert the kilometer into meter. 1 kilometer equal to how many meters? That is 1000 meter divided by 1 hour is equal to how many seconds? This is 3600 second. So now simplify these numbers. 2 zeros gets cancelled. Now simplification, from 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, remainder 1, 2 8s are 16. Now we can divide these two numbers again by 2 itself. 2 9s are 18, then 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. So what is the remainder here? We got 42 into 5 divided by 9. Now 42 into 5, how much will get? If you do here 42 into 5, so 5 2s are 10, 0, remainder 1, 5 4s are 20 plus 1, 21. So 42 into 5 is 210. So 210 divided by 9. So now we have to simplify this. Divide this 210 by 9. Now 9 3s are 18, remainder 3. then take the 0 here. Again 9 3s are 27, remainder 3. So keep a decimal point, you will get 0 here. Again 9 3s are 27, again remainder 3. So this number goes on, that is 33.333, like that. So on simplification we will get answer 33.33 meter per second. So this is the way of converting kilometer per hour into meter per second. Clear? So now if you have understood how we can convert this kilometer per hour into meter per second, try these problems. For example, convert 95 kilometer per hour into meter per second, and then convert 104 kilometer per hour into meter per second. So if you are able to convert this kilometer per hour into meter per second, it indicates that you have understood this topic. Okay, thank you.